replacing screws in the faceplate around the steps. We just had a new pool liner installed, but noticed the installer didn't install the faceplate cap for the steps. We had it ordered, are waiting for it to arrive, and noticed the screws around the faceplate are already rusting. It looks like the installer did not use stainless steel screws. Do I have to drain the pool that we just filled to replace the screws, or is it possible to replace one at a time with the pool filled? And a follow-up Sandy question is there anything else, i.e. water chemistry, that could affect screws that quickly?
So normally when you replace the liner, you reuse the screws that are existing. Now, maybe your installer put all new screws in. I doubt it. Likely the screws have some corrosion on them, but those can certainly be replaced one at a time. And what I would do is just literally take one out and replace one, and do that one at a time all the way throughout. It may, if you're not getting streaking, if maybe they're just black or discolored, it's one thing. If you're getting rust streaking down the faceplate, then they are in fact not stainless. You might even want to take the top one off on both sides and have someone check it. To use a magnet and see if a magnet sticks to it, then you know it's not stainless. And then in fact, maybe they use not stainless screws, but they could be just discolored screws that had been there before. So I would check by taking one out and having it tested first. And then if they are in fact not stainless, you can certainly do one at a time. You just want to take it out and you want to tighten all the way. And you're going to have to do this by hand because you're underwater. What I'm going to recommend is when you're removing the screw, keep your fingers around the head of the screwdriver, and when you're tightening it on, do the same thing, because as you get close to tight, you don't want to slip and have the screwdriver nick the liner. But if you keep your hand right there as you're tightening them down, you should be able to control it.